In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ChatGPT for home decor, a step-by-step guide. We'll walk through a simple workflow that turns your ideas into a clear design direction, a functional floor plan, and a renter-safe styling plan. You'll use precise prompts, and I'll show you how to pick the right model tier so you get fast answers when you need speed and deeper reasoning when your space is more complex. Start by choosing the model tier in the selector at the top of your chat window. Use the instant tier when you want quick, high volume help, things like standard furniture clearances, alternative search terms for that perfect accent table, calculating a rug to bed ratio, or grabbing exact color hex codes. It responds in milliseconds and is great for rapid iterations. Switch to the thinking tier when you're doing a full aesthetic overhaul or detailed room mapping. It applies stronger reasoning to handle complex spacing, tricky lighting, and multi-layered textures so the design feels cohesive. A helpful tip: if you begin fast on instant and hit a complex question, just switch over and continue the same thread for more nuanced logic. Next, set the look and feel with an aesthetic and material palette prompt. Avoid short, vague inputs like, "Give me ideas for a cozy living room," which will lead to generic tips. Instead, paste this and fill in the brackets with your details. Act as a principal interior designer and color theorist. I want to build a design direction for a insert room type, e.g. living room, tracking a insert style, e.g. Japandi, minimalist earthy aesthetic. The room receives insert lighting condition, e.g. low direct afternoon sunlight. Provide a structured design profile detailing, a 4-color palette with exact paint brand references, recommended fabric textures for upholstery, explicit metal or fixture finishes, and a rug material recommendation that complements the theme. If the finish list feels limited, ask for 2 regional alternates or low VOC options. Then plan how everything fits with the space optimization and traffic flow prompt. Copy and paste. Act as an architectural space planner. My room dimensions are insert dimensions, e.g. 12 by 15 feet, with a main entry door on the short wall and a large window on the long wall. I want to furnish it with a insert key pieces, e.g. sectional sofa, media console, and coffee table. Outline a spatial layout plan detailing the exact furniture placements to optimize traffic flow paths, maximize natural light, and establish a clear visual focal point without crowding the entryways. You can add door swing directions or preferred walkway widths to sharpen the plan. Finally, if you're renting or keeping costs down, use the rental-friendly styling and lighting layers prompt. Act as a home staging specialist and lighting designer. Provide a non-permanent rental-friendly decor strategy for an insert room, e.g. bedroom, on a total budget of insert budget, e.g. $300. Outline exactly how to structure 3 distinct layers of light, ambient, task, and accent using plug-in options, and suggest 5 key cosmetic swaps, such as textiles, window treatments, and hardware that elevate the space without violating a standard lease agreement. Ask for a shopping list with links and a prioritized spend plan for maximum impact. That is all. Thank you for watching, and see you on the next one.